Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another best remote work from home job just for you. Today we're going to be talking about the company Morning Brew, and they're looking for an editorial assistant. This will be full-time, it's remote, and based on research, because they don't put it on the actual application, it pays roughly around $78,000 per year, which comes around $37.50 for all of you guys wondering, because they do not post it right here, but I did do some research for you guys. So Morning Brew is a media company that covers the business news and narratives shaping our world. The companies, the people, the workplace, the economy, we nerd out on this stuff, and we're dedicated to helping our audience navigate it all the way that informs and entertains. The Morning Brew team is clever, creative, and growing fast. So Morning Brew seeks an editorial assistant to work on our features team. The editorial assistant is responsible for providing administrative and editorial support to the senior editor. The ideal candidate is organized, deadline-oriented, flexible, creative, and has a keen sense of humor. This job will require you to work with the senior editor to maintain the editorial calendar, ensuring deadlines for the Sunday newsletters are met. You will also work collaboratively across departments, including copy, fact-checking, and art. If you aspire to write by-the-book business or text news stories, this isn't the job for you. Instead, you should be a culture obsessive, as interested in TikTok trends as who owns Twitter. There will be opportunity to pitch and write explainers with the potential to pitch and write feature stories, but your core responsibilities will be assisting the features team. Candidates should have 1 to 2 years of relevant work and or internship experience, and no, you don't need a journalism degree, but it doesn't hurt. Morning Brew is based in New York City, but this role is remote friendly for all candidates. What else are they looking for? Character and integrity rank pretty high on our list. Our team is guided by our core values: how we treat each other, respectful candor, empathy, inclusivity, how we treat work with curiosity, accountability, bias towards action, challenger mentality, and clarity of purpose. Some of the perks will be surrounded by a bunch of cool people who look great in crew necks and its own reward. We have plenty more to offer. Unlimited sick and vacation times, and by unlimited we mean absolutely unlimited. U.S. remote work friendly, work from home, work from the office, work from the moon if you decide. 401k employer match. We want to help you prepare for the future now. Premium healthcare plans, your health matters. Family planning, want to join Brew Parents, generous paid parental leave and fertility coverage for eligible employees. Employee resource groups, Black Coffee, LGBTQ Brew, AAPI Brew, Café con Leche, and Grounded, plus more. Annual learning credit, want to learn something new? We'll reimburse you. So if this sounds like the perfect opportunity for you, I'll put the link right below. I want to remind everyone that this pays, based on my research, close to $78,000, which comes across to $37.50 per hour. So if you would like to apply, I'll put the link right below in the description so you can apply right away. And also, don't forget to subscribe, because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day, so you can keep applying and finding the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.